how to access age-restricted servers in Discord on your phone. Now, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. So let's get started right away, and then I'll show you how to access the age-restricted servers. Now, unfortunately, you cannot change this setting inside the actual app. What you want to do is go to your browser and search for Discord. Now, here at the top, you have the regular Discord, the discord.com, but here you also have discordapp.com, and that is the one that you want to use. So click on here, and once you're here, you want to go ahead and log in. And once you're here in Discord, you want to go ahead and request the desktop website. Now it will reload just like that, and you want to click on the settings. You're going to go to privacy and safety, and now you can scroll down, and here it says allow access to age-restricted servers on iOS. Now, like it says, after joining on desktop, view your servers for people 18 plus on iOS devices. So what it says is that you, of course, had to fill in that you were 18 plus before or like when you were creating your account, or else when you are too young, you cannot do this. Now you can simply close all of this, and you can go ahead and go back to your app, and now you can access any of these age-restricted servers in Discord on your phone. So that's how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you next time.